Hey guys, it's Warrior from Marwilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with my brand new Pixel 7 and with the iQ Shield screen protector. For those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you know that I highly recommend iQ Shield. I think I own one device that doesn't have an iQ Shield protector, and it's only because it is not available for that device. I highly recommend them because they do an amazing job of protecting the device. They protect the screen from scratches and from scrapes. They do a great job of protecting it when it falls. They're not like your tempered glass screen protectors. These are a liquid screen protector or a transparent film, so they do a great job. They aren't they're not like catchy like some of the really cheap ones, so when you're using them it's a nice smooth glide. Everything about them just is amazing and I absolutely love them. And for the super low price of 10 bucks, actually most of them are cheaper than 10 bucks, you just can't go wrong with these things. They're super easy to install. It's a very quick process. The screen protector comes with a few things. So you'll have the liquid here. That's the liquid that you use to apply it. It also comes with the screen protector. The screen protector will be on a little piece of plastic like this inside this sleeve. You also get a squeegee and you get your little cloth that you use. Now, the two things that it doesn't come with that I recommend using some alcohol spray. I use a little bit of a rubbing alcohol spray that I got from my eye doctor. I spray that on my screen and then I go ahead and I wipe it off. And then I use some compressed air to blow it off. The installation process is super straightforward. You spray the spray on your fingers just so you don't get any fingerprints on the inside of the screen protector. Then you go ahead and you spray it all over your device. You peel the screen protector off, you lay it down on your phone, you get it situated just right, and then use the squeegee to squeeze out all the extra liquid. And then just use your cloth to clean up any excess on the table, on your phone, and then presto, you are good to go. As you can see here, the screen protector just looks amazing. It covers up all the edges of the screen, so you can see right here it goes right up to the edge of the screen itself. It does leave a little bit of room here so that you'll have room for any cases that you want to use, and it does that all the way around. Here up top you have a little bit of a cutout there. You can kind of see it here in the camera, but whoops. There you go. There's the cutout. You can see it right around the front-facing camera, so that makes it so that you don't have anything getting in the way of your actually using the camera. And again, all of this is just for that super low price of less than $10. I again highly recommend them. I'll have a link in the description down below to where you can get the screen protector. I'll have a link in there where you can get the air compressor that I use. If you guys have any questions about the installation process, about the screen protector, or about any of our other recommendations, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.